have to let this. Wait. Okay, let's do a high.
Wait, I'm gonna be
So, you're gonna put some.
Guys, comment down below if Ethan is weird.
What is that guy doing? Don't think this Naruto.
Ethan, what should we be?
Bank robbers.
Let's be emo.
No, I want to be robbers. I want to rob the new bank.
Let's be undercover robber.
Yeah, you be the disguise, okay? You be disguise.
No, you!
Okay,
Wait, what is this guys again?
so yeah, a disguise is like you blend in with the outfit
You'll
of
be
that.
disguised. You'll be disguised.
Okay. So I'll be disguise cop. Also, it's bank security. Okay. We be bank security.
I'll be a bank security with this hat.
We can do. No, you be a robber. You'll be robber. Like you'll be like the one that gets the key card. You're the one that gets the key card, okay? Oh my god. I'm gonna be like Nick hair in Zong. I'm gonna wear Nick hair in Zong. Nick. Look at me as Nick.
I have 2 hairs.
Look at me.
LOL!
I'm funny Nick. Funny Nick. I'm gonna wear the belt. Uh, uh. Hey, yo, what the? What is that?
Ita, let's go.
Okay. Wait, just wait for me. Wait for me. Hey. Why you like that? Wait, there's a zombie! Hide! Wait, there's a zombie now. There's a zombie. Look, zombie.
Ita, look at us. Look at the chat.
Why? What the?
Ethan, hurry. There's a zombie.
Run. We have to run now. We have to run. How about we just do zombie apocalypse or hide?
No!
Zombie hide. Is that okay?
How do we open it?
Oh, I know. I know. This key card, okay? White key card. Keep the key card, okay? Keep key card. Wait, go in. You have to.
No.
Okay, and then put your key card in here. Did you leave your key card? Okay. Put the key card in there. Yeah, it's there. Okay, and then you will be teleported. I'll wait.
Wait, Ita, where are you?
Just point towards like what you call that? That one. If the one thing turns blue, that means you teleported.
Ew.
Why?
How do
Okay,
I?
wait, wait. Get the axe here. Okay, and then like wait, get out of the closet and then use your key card again, and then use the axe for this. Okay, you have to be really slow. Okay, okay, we got the key. We got the key. We got the key now. So we have to like parkour here. Parkour.
What
No,
happens if we touch it?
you have to respawn. Bro, it's hard. Bro, how did I touch that? Bro, it's so rigged. No, bro, it's so difficult. Bro, no. Wait, let's go in here. Let's go in here.
Where are you?
Bro, there's a big easier. How do you even cancel this? Cancel Brookhaven. Bro, the bank obby is so hard. Like, how do you even do it? I didn't even touch it! What is wrong with Brookhaven? I'm gonna wear a small outfit. Small. I think you have to wear a small. How did I even touch that? Finally! Wait, get the gold, get the gold, get the gold. How do you even get gold? How do you get the gold?
How do I get
How do you get the gold?
ah,
No, oh, someone already got it. Wait, come on, let's get out, let's get out. We have to get out.
Should we rejoin?
No, it's okay. No, do like that. Okay. Now we have to go in the vent. Use the key, use the key. Come on. Now, how do we get past this?
What is that? What bag is that? Oh, it's diamonds.
We have to go back now. We have to go back. Okay. Now we have to crawl through the vent. We have to crawl through the vents. Wait. My God. Key.
Ethan, you're blocking.
Yes. We need a bomb. We need a bomb.
I have a bomb.
We need bomb.
Eh?
You need more bombs. Wait. So you need 2 bombs. Nice, you got victory. Okay, come on. We have to go now. We have to go now. Run. We have to run now. We run. We already took everything. Okay, we took everything. We have to go now. We have to go. We have to go. Run. Come on. We have to go now. Run. We have to run now. We have to run. We have to run. Run. We have to run.
Run from the zombie also.
Oh yeah, oh my God, there's a ritual. There's a ritual over there. Run. Get your bag of money. Okay, we have to go now. We have to go now. I also got the gold.
Can I see?
Wait, I'm trying to get it. Okay, I got the gold. Wait, I got the gold. Come on, we have to go now. We have to go. Run.
Should we, can we play?
Robbing.
Can we try to play Call of Duty in Brookhaven?
Sure. Yeah.
I'm gonna dress off Call of Duty.
Okay.
My. Call of Duty. It's already
7 what?
7:26. You're gonna sleep now.
Not 7:27.
Ita, this is the funniest head of Call of Duty ever.
Why?
Hello.
Eh,
I'll be Tiny Call of Duty. Ethan, can we try Call of Duty here and trying to get the safe?
yeah, yeah.
Gonna get a melee. You get the pistol, I'll get a melee.
I'm Ghost.
You're Ghost Rider.
Though like I'm Ghost from Call of Duty. Ask your
Yeah, I
dad.
know. I know.
Does he
He
know
knows.
Ghost?
Yeah,
Ask
he has
him.
a lot of skins. He has a lot of skins in Call of Duty.
Ask him. Is his favorite cartoon called Ghost?
His favorite his favorite character in COD is Zena.
Huh? What? Is what?
I mean the his favorite character is the one you were wearing, the scary one.
You mean like the lava one, the fire?
Yeah.
Ah,
What is this?
I'm trying to be Ghost. Why did Colin say, "Oh my God"? You're running me over. My God. Kasi to,
Ang ganda. Ethan, bilisan mo. Uy, Ethan, please.
oh, okay.
Or else you will waste your time. It's already 7:31. Ethan, hurry.
Just wait.
Si Ethan, come on.
Wait. What the? Who did that?
Kuya Ethan. Ethan, hurry. Si Kuya Ethan. Hey, Kuya Ethan. Ethan.
We just
Can
wait.
I right there.
Okay. I'm done. Look. Look at me. You look at me.
Oh, wow.
Show it to your dad. Show it to your dad.
She's not here.
Oh, okay. Show it to someone that plays COD in your family. Oh, oh. Dang! This video is taking too
Ethan,
long. Wow.
all we have to do is go here.
We just wait.
Ethan, get your pistol. The bow.
Can I be ghost?
Yeah. Colin, stop!
Oh, wait, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it.
Nilor!
Wait, look at me.
Oh my. Okay, let's go. Come here, come here. Come here. All we have to go is go to the bank.
Okay.
And then if you're done, we win. Oh wait, Ethan, come here.
My
Come
God,
here.
you got the diamonds. You got the diamonds.
Ethan, stand here. Ethan, stand here.
Okay.
And here. Stand like this. Get ready for your gun. Get ready for your gun. In 3, 2, 1, fight. You're dead.
Ooh.
Go run to the
Wait, look
bank
at
now.
me.
Go run to the bank.
Wait, look at me. Wait, look at me. Wait, I'm gonna make a truck, okay? I'm gonna make a truck.
Ethan, why are you still changing?
Why? I'm not changing. Where are you?
I'm already at the bank.
You're already at the bank? Okay.
So I'm gonna win.
Wait, I'm gonna fix it. There you go. By the way, just don't mind the police. Bara.
Bruh. No.
Cute.
Bruh.
What?
Keep dying. Mm.
Okay. So where are you? What?
Bruh.
We what?
Keep spawning. I will not give up.
Um,
Yan. Tignan mo pag dito yung name mo, mo. Ah, ito.
wow, ganda. Ganda naman.
Ita, where are you?
Bank. Why?
What are you even doing?
Just waiting for you at the bank.
Ita, why are you just waiting? I thought just rob the bank.
I thought you said battle at the bank.
No, rob the bank. Whoever wins first wins. No!
Then let's go.
Okay, going.
Ano?
Hey,
This,
Colin!
so the heist one or the bank?
bye.
The money one or
The bank.
okay, like the money. I'm gonna rob the bank one. Money is the easiest. Mommy.
Oh, tayo na dito, baby!
Hey. So I robbed it. I robbed it. Robbed the bank. Oh, finished. Yeah, I got finished. I finished my task.
But you have to rob the golds.
Oh, I thought the money won. Does it count if it's the money one? Does it count if it's the money one or the ATM?
ATM.
Oh, okay. So it's ATM is easy. ATM is so easy. Just get your credit card and then insert it into it. Okay, I robbed the bank. I got the money from the ATM. Roll out, boys. What is Colin even doing?
I don't know.
He's raging. Definitely rage. Is that the video now?
I won!
Or should I end the video?
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna get my outro now. A new outro.
I want to play COD.
We just said I haven't did our thing. The should it be like a funk?
No!
Then what style?
Ethan, go to God.
No, like what style of music?
Just go to God.
Okay, fine.
What's this? Eh, wait a minute. I think
May
I
99 na Sensodyne para sa pangingilo ng ngipin. May 99 na Sensodyne sa benefits di mapipitin. Say goodbye pangingilo. May 99 na Sensodyne.
99 na Sensodyne.